Hello, cutie patootie. How you doing today, huh? How you doing today? Good morning. Good morning. Fetta's sleeping too. It's a lazy morning this morning, huh? Very, very lazy. Did we just have a FaceTime call with your Grandma Laura? Yes, we did. We had a FaceTime call with your Grandma Laura. How was it? Was it nice? It was so nice. Are you eating your back feet? Okay, little rabbit. Okay. You're okay. You're all right. Your little legs. Oh, baby. Hi, guys. So we were at my friend Wendy's studio. This is actually Derek's studio as well. Derek's space is up there, and Wendy's is here. And Wendy's doing newborn photos of Eleanor today. I kept Eleanor awake, and now she's finally passed out. So let's see how it goes. Woo! This is Wendy just working her magic with Eleanor. Oh my God. The other day, it hit me that like, I have a puppy now and I want to do newborn photos. So I immediately texted my friend Wendy and I was like, hey Wendy, do you think I'm crazy for wanting to do newborn photos of my puppy? And she's like, no, not at all. Let's do it. And I was like, great, when? And she goes, how's tomorrow? And I said, perfect. So here we are. It was so much fun. Things to know to get a puppy to sleep. So you feed them early in the morning and then you wear them out. Hence why I took Eleanor over to Charlie's house to play with him for a while. And then I kept her awake for the entire 25-minute drive to the studio. Every time she tried falling asleep, I would tap her and be like, no, keep awake. And then we were at the studio for a while and I kept her awake then. And then she finally got to pass out once Wendy got her in her first rep. Fetta, get it. Eat that donut. Eat that donut. Eat that donut. Hey, you, woman, get him over here.